Good morning. Today we are starting a new project in my place. I have Dr. Harish Joshi, who is the mentor and who is the trainer for me for this uh, project. So I would request Mr. Harish Joshi to talk a few words and say what is that we're trying to do today.
Yeah, I am Dr. Harish Joshi, retired professor of zoology. I had a unique opportunity, so to say, uh, Dr. Mr. Mangalnath, he was my student once upon a time, and he was so anxious about this vermi technology. Technology is a method of converting waste into vermicompost, a usable fertilizer, biofertilizer, which is the need of the time. So he is interested to do vermicomposting here in his land, a piece of land. He brought up so nicely with a beautiful house. So nearby the house he has constructed under my guidance a vermicomposting unit. Today he is going to start the filling of the unit with the required waste material and is interested in converting those materials into vermicompost, which he is going to use for his land which he has brought up here, and with so much of plants of different varieties. Today we are starting with the vermicomposting unit process.
Here he is preparing the cow dung slurry, which he will be.
First of all, he has to rinse the tank and starts our process.
This is how the cow dung slurry is made and poured into the tank to cleanse the tank before we load into the tank.
Is arranged inside the vermi bin. This coconut sheet of 2 layers. One set of coconut sheets go like this. The another set of coconut will go antagonistic to it of the previous layer. So it has to be rinsed first. I rinse malpuru.
ಹೌದು ಒಟ್ಟೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಇಟ್ಟು
Bin, a suitable bed is prepared for the worms to stay there. They will stay in the bed and they lay their eggs. From the eggs, young ones hatch out. And the bed is made up of 2 layers of coconut sheet. So this layer, the bed, very useful for breeding of the worms.
As you have said, we have cleaned the tank first, and we have sterilized the tank with cow dung water. That is what we call as a cow dung slurry. We have washed it. Then we have taken coconut shell. We have dipped the coconut shell in the coconut shell, sheath in the cow dung water. We have kind of mixed it with cow dung, and then we have placed it facing upside down in 90-degree angles. We have made 2 layers of that. What do we do next, sir?
Next, we are going to load the vermi bin.
Okay.
We are going to put waste materials above the 2 sheets of coconut sheet.
Okay.
Waste materials,
Okay.
especially the dry leaves,
Okay.
organic waste materials, otherwise called.
Okay.
So we are going to put the dry leaves in the form of a sheet also of about 4 inches thickness,
Okay.
and above which we are going to put thick slurry,
Okay.
and we mix it.
Okay.
Before mixing, we can put the vegetable waste, any of the organic material,
Okay.
except citric
Fruits and
items. The entire idea is that the entire unit should be under alkaline condition.
Okay.
When it goes to the acidic condition,
Okay.
the worms will run away. ಬದಿಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮರಿಪೋದೆ ಆಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ
Okay, so here we have finished the first round of laying of the raw materials. One bed is over. We will wait for one more round. I'll be back in another 3 days so that we fill the next layer. Thank you.